welcome to my craft space. Today I wanted to show you my newly designed craft space. I'm not done with it, but I just wanted to get this video out. The only thing I'm missing from my craft space right now is a small table. I do have a craft table, or one of those fold-away tables. It is a little bit too large for our bedroom because yes, this is in our bedroom. We have a very small house. We downsized from, we're just renters, but we downsized from a 3-bedroom, 3-bath condominium to a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, small. It's actually a huge house that's split up into 4 units. So to say we had to downsize is an understatement. But after being here since April, this is what I've come up with. The only thing I'm missing is a small table, which I'm going to purchase from Walmart. I saw it. It looks like a large wooden table, TV dinner tray table. But I think it's going to work. And what I can do is I can fold it up and put it right between the 2 shelves. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the little cart that I have. And I'll be honest, I wish I had 2 carts. And, I can still find one of these. These are available, all over the place. But on here, I have my journal, right? I have another journal in the back here. Well, this is actually my planner, my journal back here. More calendars, stamps, stuff like, that I would use to write my bills. So I have envelopes and stuff. Yeah, there's still some bills I send in with, checks. So that's there. This is just some overflow things like this ribbon. So this is the first drawer. I have a ribbon. Okay. Whoopsie. And it's just smashed in there. The second drawer are wooden items, and the third drawer is paint. Okay, and then, it's just miscellaneous things there. This is a shot of my shelves. So, you can see, just depending on how you craft, what you craft, you do not need all this space. My cousin, she has a big space in terms of, she has like a glow forge. She has her, what do you call it? Her Cricut, she has those things. But her actual craft supply space is not big. Because I guess she's kind of got it down to a science. But I know she probably wishes she had more room. But anyway, I'm just showing you what you can do on 2 shelves. Okay, so let me start from the bottom since I'm sitting on a chair. The bottom here to the far right is just scraps of piece of papers. And then there's all my scoreboard, cutting board, my envelope board, to make an envelope. And then there's stickers for my planner. And I have the boards for my Big Shot in there. The the boards, the plates, I have it in there. And then some journals in that one. And then my Cricut, my Cricut mats over there in the corner. And then here is just journals and my 12 by 12s. And in here, I have just stuff I can use in Happy Meal. So I have those tins and stuff that I showed you guys in that last haul I did from AliExpress. Oh, my chapstick. I got this from Carrie. Carrie, I've been using this. I got a little bit of sun on my lip. A lot of sun on my lip. And so this has been great for soothing. Get into focus. Soothing my chapped lip. Okay, so this I love, but this 12 by 12 paper holder or whatever it is, it doesn't fit on many things. Look, see, so it comes out farther than, the shelf, and you can only get one in there. But I really love this, and I just have some tools and stuff, tools of the trade in there. And then this one is kind of like my specialty papers. This one's I have alpha stickers and more specialty papers, like the ones that I buy individually. Like the Mary Poppins one I got from my cousin, and I bought some summer paper and a lot of simple stories and a lot of, why can I not remember the name? Doodlebug. And this is the regular size craft paper cardstock here. And then this little thing here is going to be like my takeaway bucket. So in here is just like everything I need to do crafts. So, you know, glue, double-sided sticky tape, glue gun, and distressed inks, and it has the daubers in there as well. So when I want to do crafts, I could just pull this down, and this would be like my main items that I always use when doing crafts. This here is mostly punches, but I also put my alphabet old style label maker in there as well. This here is all my small papers and booklets of papers. And then up here on this shelf is, this is what's left of my junk journals. So this is my Mary Poppins journal. What's this one? Oh, my things about God. I think this is Aladdin, yeah. And this is from, oh, what am I doing? I don't even have it in shot. Sorry, you guys. And this is from my friend Caroline. And Caroline, for Dream with Caroline, I do have an idea of what I'm going to add to this booklet. So it'll be like Caroline and I've been working on the same book. Okay, in here, there's wooden alphas. And in here, there is stuff to make junk journals. Right here is my wax seals. This has tools to make jewelry, which I am horrible at. And in here has all the correspondence and channel stickers and channel swag that I got from being channel members, and just from the different friends that I've made on YouTube. And so most of these need to go into my my creative journal. My washi tape is all in here. This is the catch-all bucket. Everything you need or you can't find will be in here. And I have some few little things in this drawer. What's in there? What's in there? Oh, tickets. Just some things I've been working on. That's me and my husband back when I was skinnier and my hair was longer. In here I have it's just a catch-all. I have a lot of catch-alls. So some books, and then I got gift certificates because I was going to collecting them for Christmas. So these are not the only two that I have. I have others. With each paycheck I try to buy something. This top is just decorated because it's right in front of the AC. In here, these two baskets, I have things that I made and or received, and I'm going to use in my junk journals. And this as well. This here I have on my bling stickers, ephemera. This was stuff that I bought off of Temu. As you can see, it's like little mixes. I got this from Aisha Khan. It's part of the stuff I got from that scoop I bought. And right here is everything I need when I want to send a package out. I forgot to mention, right over here on top of this is all the things that need to be sent out for drawings that I did. Okay, getting back here, this is hardware for the junk journals. And then I think I said ephemera. And in here actually are most of all my bags and envelopes. And I just put these here because I haven't put them away yet. So those are just sitting there. And then let me sit down again. I'm really proud of this area right here because I think it looks so cool. And in here I have stuff for pocket letters, and I have Project Life cards and other things in here, and a bunch of stickers. So I forgot to mention in that right there I have just a bunch of stickers, but I think I need to rethink where I put my stickers. I mean, I kind of like them in there, but just trying to make everything look nice and aesthetically pleasing. I don't know. I prefer the drawers more than the baskets, but I don't know. This is good for now. Never mind. I'm not even going to finish that thought. So next to these are my brads and my paper clips. This is the bits and bobs I got from Carrie. This is my sequins mix, and this is my dewdrops. These are bits and bobs. And then on the bottom shelf there is, like, you know, the bigger items that I don't pull out as much. So, but it also has like, well, you can see my dies, and behind there is, what is it called? A snap maker, or, you know, like all the snaps, and then the tool to set the snap. And then I have ink, stuff for the glue gun, so a bunch of glue sticks, the Big Shot. And in these two things are, the bottom one there is gifts that I've received, and little books, ephemera books and embellishment books. And then this one here is just some unfinished projects and things that I'm working on. I can just easily pull that out and use it, you know. And then I just did want to show you that I worked, my new word now is I worked extremely hard. But I did. I worked extremely hard when I was going through this room and getting it cleaned up. So you can see, I'm going to show you. Okay, so my room is very small. Here's the door to my room. It's a barn door. Here's my bed. Door, bam. And then bam, closets. And if I keep turning around, here is my cabinet with all my Disney stuff in. So not to make you guys dizzy, but you can have a craft workspace in a small room. But I did want to show you this, and because like I said, I worked really hard on it. My new word is extremely hard. And so this is, gosh, that sun is not doing us justice. Hold on, let me see. Does it work better this way? Yeah, so I got this. This is like the leprechaun. No, I say leprechaun, but what if I say doodlebug? This is my doodlebug stuff. Wait, it's just so hard to show. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go over here. Let me pull this box over. So this is the doodlebug stuff, and I want to work on a little junk journal featuring all these cute little houses, because I think it was supposed to be, yeah, you see, for St. Patrick's Day, sort of, kind of, but I just love this, and I can make a cute little garden, gnome garden type junk journal. I might take the gnomes out and just use the things that don't have gnomes. I know Sharon would like that. Okay, so just really quick, I just went through all my ephemera, and I just, listen, this is travel. This is flowers. This is sentiments. Birds. Anything to do with birds. This one's so small because it's butterflies, and that's apparently all I have. Moms, so Mother's Day. This one are cut-aparts. Back here we have, this is Doodlebug. I believe this is Doodlebug. And this is anything to do with the kitchen, homey. These are the craft ones from Doodlebug. And these are sentiments. I think this is summer sentiments. 4th of July. I was trying to separate everything. This is Valentine's. And these are my chipboard home collection. And then this is whales, anything to do with the ocean or the sea. And then I showed you that one. So I spent like a good hour organizing this, but it gave me a lot of satisfaction. Okay, put this back, and then just take one last wide shot of my bedroom so you guys can see what I deal with here. And you do not have to have a big space to craft. And that's it. Hope everyone is having a wonderful day. And that's Chewy. My son Noah gave that to me for my birthday 3 years ago. Bye, guys.